Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is down in the description of the video, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. Well, as you see guys here, today, it happened here a green candle here. Not that good, but it happened here a green candle here. The market is pushing up, but the bears, they're still powerful as you see it. They try to push from up. Let's zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you. If you're looking at the candle here, it came a green candle. It came up till here, but it's still a big power from the top here, and we couldn't break that level here, because that level here is very important level here. That candle here, which is break it. Now the market, he bounced from that level here, is go back to that level here. Now it's showing as if there is a big pushing from up here. People, they still want the Bitcoin to fall down more. That the market makers what they want. But today is Monday, and people, they being with us, they know that Monday always the market it do against what is going to do all the week. So what that indicating? It's indicating us we're going to fall down more, guys. That's what it's telling us. That candle will happen here today here. That's what it's telling us. And also we put in all the plans for that. People, they being with us, they remember that. Also we put in like that. We buying 20% from here, from that level here when we touch here. And I told you when we're going to touch down here, the 200 moving average, we're going to buy 50% here from our capital, from what it left from our capital. You're going to buy 50% from here, from the 200 moving average. Then we're going to see where the market is going to end up. Till now, everything's still looking, what can we say, not good. Still looking bad here for long-term investors, because we got here that head and shoulder here, as you see it. We show it to you before, that one. And now it's breaking here, the neckline here, as you see it. And that neckline here, it's showing here that the market is going to fall down. To take profit for that one, it needs to be like that. You come here and you do it like that. And you're doing here. So what else we said before is going to come down here to touch the 200 moving average. Then maybe also from the 200 moving average we're going to buy, but we need to be focused about the weekly, what the market is going to tell us, because the weekly candle, as I showed you in yesterday's video, if you haven't watched it, go back and watch it. But me, I'm still positive, guys. There is nothing to make me bad or thinking bad here. As I showed you before, I told you that level here, that's what me I'm thinking the correction is going to come. We are going to fall down to touch here. Then after that, we're going to go more higher to break that last high here. Because as I've been talking with you before, and here we still have that channel I showed you before. The channel I showed you before, is it that one? Like that. It's still in its place. I showed it to you before. It's okay to repeat it like that. As you see it, we touch the top of it here now. Now we need to fall down to touch the lower of it. That's normal, because as you see the market, what it's doing here. If you focus it with me, here, look, high, low, give you here another high. It needs to give us another low here. Then after that, it will give us another high. So everything's still looking great, guys. From that correction, try to buy as much as you can. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, as you see it, that the coming news of today, we got here the retail sales, as you see it here, that it's very important indicator, guys. You need to be focused about it. It's going to come at 12:30, as you see it here. And here is our friend, the table of us, as we're looking at it every day, as you see it, what it's telling us here. Look at it, what it's telling us here. All US stocks, they closing today green. And today, what is it? Is Monday. Even the Bitcoin is closing green. So all the week, I'm thinking we're going to be a red, guys. Remember that. All the week, maybe we're going to be a red week. So be careful about that. And here will make me to thinking it's going to be a red week. Even the US dollar here, it's closing red today. And today is Monday, the candle of Monday. It's always very, very important, guys. So you need to be careful about that. And down here is the VIX, our friend. Currency is still very low. As you see it, we're still below than 20. We are 17, but we're going up compared to yesterday. But everything's still looking the same. As you see it, we go up about 0.53%. So currency is getting a little bit higher because people, they are scared what the Fed Jerome Powell is going to come to say. And there is some rumors it's saying the Fed, it will increase interest rate more. That will make people tell now stay scared. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. By the way, yes, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash that like button, write down a comment. It will not take you that much, just few seconds from your time. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. So, as we said here in the 4 hours us, we said we got here a wage like that, as you see it. That the wage, as we said, is getting broke here, as you see it. So that is a very good sign for us to know it is a real breakout, not a fake big breakout. It's need the market to do like that, to come back to touch it, then after that to go higher, to break for us that last high. So everything is still looking now great here in the 4 hours. By the way, if you enter long here from that candle here, if you enter long, you stop lose, put stop lose here. That for swing trading me I'm talking about, you stop lose if you enter long here. If you enter long from here, put stop lose here, guys. Remember that. If you enter long, you stop lose. Everything is too clear. So now what we have here, we still have here that channel as we said before, like that, as you see it, and down here like that, as you see it here in the 4 hours. We got a very, very, very clear channel here, as you see it. We touch the lower of it here. Now I think that one is going to go up to touch here. That is going to be a very, very good sign, guys. People they being with us, we give you here a signal here like that. Used to have here a wage like that. That 2 videos will be in target is getting broke here. Now you need to enter and to put stop lose of you down here. Take profit of you, it needs to be here when we touch in the top of that channel, guys. Remember that when we touch in here at that level here, you need to take profit, guys. Everything is too clear. So the entry it was from here and the stop loss it need to be down here, guys. Everything is too clear. And another thing here, very important, what me I told you about that level here. That level here, what me I said about it. That level is very, very, very important. If you see it, you need to bring it from here. Like that, that the supply and demand zone. If you see it here, we bring it from that level here. Last time from here it bounced up. And even from here, it bounces up. Now you are in it here. As you see it in that level, you are in that level here. Now what should we do? Either it's going to go higher to touch the top of that channel we just show you here. That one here. Or from that level, it's going to fall down and to break for us that last low here. Now what should we do? Same thing. Nothing was changed. You still have here that wage like that. That one here. If the market doesn't go up and to bring for you the take profit which is here. And if it falls down, and give you here a fake breakout here and fall down and breaking lower here, enter short, guys, and put stop lose here at that level, because you need to put even that one in scenario in the other side, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, over here, it's breaking that downtrend line as we used to have here. It came here to that zone, but there is no power to break here at that level. Man, there is no power to change the market from a bear market to a bull market. As you see it, even if it's breaking that wage as we have in the 4 hours, but you know it hasn't breaking above here. People, they enter long, you stop lose, and you waiting now where is the market is going. If we're going to enter here to the bull market, or we're going to go back again and it's going to give us a fake breakout, even that one it's possible, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, we used to be here at the oversold area. level we used to be in a very stronger supply and demand zone. And the third thing and the most important thing is the price action we used to have here. That wage like that, as you see it, very clear wage. It's getting broke here in that level. You enter long. Now our indicator is going here to the overbought area. When you touch the overbought area, try to protect yourself. Another thing I show it to you here. Now here you got the top here of that channel here, which is that one. You see it or no? You touch the lower of it here. Now it's going to go up to touch the top of it here. And maybe that one is going to be here at the overbought area. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, what is it? I just show it to you. I told you, you still have here that wage like that. That wage here, you still have it. If that fake breakout here, that one here is just a fake breakout, then the market fall down and break a lower here, enter short and put stop loss here at that level, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in the last videos, what me I told you here. I told you we got here a flag like that. Yes or no? Not the flag, by the way. Here, you can find it even in the last videos. Thumbnail. It's getting broke here. All of you enter long. Tell here, at that level here. Now here, what it give you the market? Look with me here. What it give you the market here? It give you a double top and it's breaking the neckline, which is here. At that level here, you need to enter short and to put stop loss here at that level. Yes or no? Yes, my friend, you need to enter short and to put stop loss here. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, let me show it to you here. Very important scenario, guys, because even that one need to be focused about it. What else we used to say here? We used to say we got here a down channel like that. Yes or no? That's what else we said. That down channel, look at it, it's getting broke here. The market is showing it going up. What that indicating? It's indicating maybe the market is going to go more higher. Yes or no? But why us me are thinking now the market is going to fall down? Because of that one. Look at that level here. If you focus it with me here, what you seeing? Look here at that level here, what you got? Now you came to it here, it's showing the market as if it's going to fall down. What should we do here at that level here where we are now? You can even draw in there a trend line like that. You see it or no? Or an up channel like that. And you waiting. If it's getting broke down here, you enter short again, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator is telling you you are here at the overbought area level. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at that. Should you enter short? No, my friend. Unless if that one like that is getting broke here, the trend line here is getting broke. Yes, you can enter short. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.